All right, all the pan bolts are out. Let's pull the guards off and see what we got. O-ring on is good. All right, let's go. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. Interesting enough, I think this has the older rods. We'll find out at a later date. This is GM's attempt to have a, I guess a winded shield or whatever you call it. It's got the factory, yep. This is why you never use a factory oil pump, what do you call it, drive shaft, look at this. Brakes, garbage. And it says debris all over your motor, blah, 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 blah. Let's see what we're dealing with. Oh yeah, that's golden. Hopefully that comes in. That's just typical wear. That's a good sign for me. No weirdness anywhere. And no scratches. Wow. It's actually pretty good. All right, this crank looks good. All right, actually, it's got some slack to it. But actually not too bad. Breaking this, but give it a nice love tap. And hopefully, oh yes, look at that. Woohoo! Oh yes, yes. Oh yeah, that cam bearing looks good. Very good. All right, we'll get into more of it later on. Just a quick peek. Get yourself a good die set. It's not that expensive in Harbor Freight. So you can mark all your caps and rods and everything and all your parts. Make sure, you know, this comes with all the lettering, 1 through 8, blah, blah, blah. You get the whole deal. Let's start. 2, 2, 2. You got it. Stop right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She looks good. No stuck rings. Look at this. A little stiff. A little cleaning up will do. Alright, let's go put it on the table. Get the rest of them out. Alright, everything went smoothly, getting the rods and pistons out. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Ooh, that's like butter. And this motor is starting to look out really good, man. Everything is looking really good. I'm happy camper. There's no weird spots in the crank. Quick polishing will definitely clean anything up, but there's nothing really much to clean up. Bearings look, I'll go into that later on, but the bearings look fabulous. Alright, we're going to take a peek at the bearings, and look, man, they look brand new. Wow. That's some new stuff there. Interesting. There's hardly any wear on it. That is good news. Alright, let's flip her around and look at the bores. Alright, let me see if I can light this up correctly, but these bores look fantastico. All they need to do is do a little honing, clean them up. I mean, they are really good. Exceptionally good. After I saw all that crud on the engine, I thought definitely we're gonna have some problems. But yeah, does that come in? Is it overexposed? Still got some of the cross hatching. I mean, it needs to be deglazed, you know, just to freshen up a little bit, but she looks good. Yes.